Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus device to OnePlus Nord 5. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then hit confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now click on whatever you want to in all those other ones. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus. So Ceremis click. And receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus Nord 5. Also on OnePlus smartphone, using all of those categories at the top, you can pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up. And then choose Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button to connect. Close our ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!